Good morning, Joe. Fuzzy here, Burton Chevrolet, Orfordville, Wisconsin. 2020 GMC Acadia, black. Tires are like brand new. Dual zone climate control. It has bucket seats in the second row. Third row seating capacity, 32,000 miles on this thing. Reduced to 32,583. It's a 2020. Very popular vehicle. Got a great look to it. Here's the inside for you. Second row for you, like I said, the bucket seats. Third row is laid down right now, but it does have the third row in there for you. It's a certified vehicle, comes with some warranty. 12-month, 12,000. Takes a powertrain warranty to 6 years and 100,000 miles from the date it was sold. Burton Chevrolet, Orfordville, Wisconsin. My name is Fuzzy, 608-879-2973. Thanks for looking today.